Good afternoon to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi Ungowekhethelo Ubuhlekazi. So today I wanna talk about something ehlukile ne. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento ekungakhulunywa ngayo. Traditional healers don't touch on it kakhulu. And mhlawumbe abanye abanalo ulwazi ngayo or abakaze bayi-experience or because indlela manje esesihlola ngayo izinto ikubhoxa to one thing kanti umuntu akekho lapho uya-understand ikubhoxa to futhi abantu sebathanda kakhulu lokuthi umbethwa abantu basemanzini umbethwa amakhehla amakhosi ini kanti it goes beyond that. No, ngizokhuluma nge-spirit of abangqongqozi. A year or 2 years ago, somebody asked me to explain abangqongqozi, the spirit of drums. But I said to them, ngizokhuluma ngayo mhlazana ogogo bayithula kimi or bangifundisa ngayo. Angithandi ukukhuluma ngento engayifundiswanga nento engayazi. I don't do research. But ngifuna bona bangitshele bayichaze bese ke ngiyanifundisa ngayo. Because I want everything to come from my experience. So that is why ngiyokhethelo. Now there's a spirit of abangqongqozi, the drum spirit. Now the spirit comes from or derives from African countries, the women, ancient spirits of women from African countries, right? Sometimes not even African phela, but even Asian countries. But ngizokhuluma ngendlela abangifundise ngayo. So niyangibona ngithi ngigcoke kanjani? Niyabona ngithi usually when I speak about something mhlambe that was engifundiswe ngayo or for the first time, I have to recognize and acknowledge that spirit that came through to speak to me. So I have to, usually we've got, I need to see in the spiritual regalia, guys. So I have to observe protocol by honoring that or by honoring that spirit that has come forth to teach me about this space. Okay. So I've spoken about Amabutho, guys. How do we go about Amabutho? I've made a video about Amabutho. What is Amabutho? I've made a video about the Hosanna spirit. So Amabutho would be the warrior spirit. The Hosanna spirit, the black dove, is the spirit of the self-discovery. I've spoken about the spirit of Amanono, the spirit of a late child, or Inono. I've spoken about Abalozi, the spirit of birds or whistling, amakhehla, which is amakhehla. Now babalozi bahlukile depending ukuthi bavelaphi, ne? And then engakhuluma ngokufemba, which is astral projection, and explain to ukuthi for some people that is natural. I spoke about I spoke about isithunywa. I've spoken about ogogo basentabeni. Now when I speak about ogogo abangqongqozi, which is the drum spirits, right? Now kunabantu who are chosen by that spirit or who are gifted by that spirit. So abangqongqozi would be the spirit, an ancient spirit for mainly ogogo, aksiwona makhehla. It is a spirit that surrounded princesses. It is a spirit that surrounded queens. It is a spirit that, so intombi lezi bezihamba ne princess nenkosazana. They in most cases they would have that spirit or they would be driven by that spirit. Oh mama lababe, the elders, oh mama lababe advise the queen. They would have that spirit. So or that spirit comes from that. So it is a maiden spirit. It is a maiden spirit. Spirit sayintombi. Okay? So kunabantu abambethwe ileso spirit. Now umuntu noma umntwana ophethwe abangqongqozi noma intombazane ephethwe abangqongqozi noma ugogo mhlawumbe ophethwe abangqongqozi, those people, guys, they don't go thwasa. And sithwasisa abantu ngezinto abangenazo. Abangqongqozi, they self-initiate. That spirit self-initiates because that spirit works through drums. That spirit works through certain musical instruments. Konje bathini kunalento engathi iyashaywa that they would do, I forgot the name, but there's instruments, specific instruments ezisebenza ngabangqongqozi. Now abangqongqozi, umuntu onabangqongqozi is only healed through drums. Is only healed through drums and fire. Right? Akusebenzo ngisho ngamupha igobongo kangakanani alizukusebenza unabangqongqozi lo muntu. That spirit works mostly with sound. Thingisho njalo. It works with sound. Irigalia yabantu abanabangqongqozi is totally different. The beats are totally different. The making of beats is totally different because it has to represent ancient maidens. Uhlobo olwabantu oluhlukile oluthanda izinto, but they are so into music, is crazy. Now sorry about that. Umuntu onabangqongqozi would go through a trance. Asithi mhlambe uzwa umsindo weyigubhu or a certain instrument, they immediately go into a trance in which then they can actually tell you. In between that trance, they can tell you izinto abazibonayo. They can tell you things that you don't know about. Even the voice would actually change to a Satan, to the forthcoming maiden or forthcoming elder that's coming through. But ongungoko. Banendlela yabo yokuyifundisela iy'ngane zabo, thingisho njalo. Banendlela yabo yokukhulisa iy'ngane zabo. So it's a spirit that's overlooked, engakhulunywa ngaso kakhulu, but it is there. And uthola ukuthi futhi I think it's actually the spirit is actually coming forth again. Manje yabona, if itu ngabheka kahle, there's one person that I can identify. I think intombazane engam identify ukuthi lo nabangqongqozi lo. We understand. But it's they've got their own characteristics. So manje iy'ngane zethu esisibheka, like as you look at videos mhlambe ey'kolweni nani, I think that spirit is becoming more powerful, and reason being is that besinganakwa, asinakwa kakhulu. So I hope lo muntu owangicela ukuthi ngi-explainile ngendlela azoyijabulela, ngendlela futhi ezoba easier engingakhona ukuyi-explaina ngayo, ngendlela futhi engifundiswe ngayo, ngiyabonga.